Get to interact with kids in a different way, and they can see in a different light. It all comes down to helping out however we can.
There you go, jobs hunting people right there. That was Marky Martin reporting. So the weather, everyone's talking about the weather right now. About this time tomorrow, it could be kind of bumpy.
Yeah, it really will be. And we're going to dive into the ingredients we have for severe weather. Do you remember them?
Oh, yes, I do. Lift. Lift. Moist air, unstable air, and a rising motion.
Yep, there you go. Let's go ahead and talk about each of those. First off, the instability that leads to some rising motion because the air is unstable, and one way you get that is by a lot of energy in the atmosphere, and we get that by warm temperatures. 70s and 80s right now, and it could be just as warm as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So here are your wind speeds, also wind shear, kind of the fourth ingredient, if you will, for those severe thunderstorms to form. And you can see pretty strong winds right now, folks, 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that is forecasted to increase as we head into tomorrow. And there's your moisture, upper 60s, lower 70s for those dew points, which means that those southerly low-level winds are continuing to bring in more moisture for us, and unfortunately that will continue to be the case here over the next several hours. So we've got the moisture, we've got the instability, we do need the lift, and that lift is out to our northwest right now, and it is going to come in the form of a front. So the next storm system already bringing mountain snows to parts of New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, and northern Arizona, and this will be moving in our direction. So let's walk you through Futurecast. If you have those plans tonight, tomorrow morning, you're fine. Go ahead and keep them. I don't expect any thunderstorms, and I don't expect a lot of rain in the area. We could see a few sprinkles, but by 3 o'clock, that's when these storms start to initiate to our west. I think they move in probably between 4 and 5 for far western counties. And one thing we'll be watching here is any individual storm that breaks off from the main line of storms and can rotate on its own, because that's where we're going to have the significant risk of a long track tornado. But this line will surely materialize a little later on. This is about 7 o'clock moving through our western counties, and with a line of storms, your main threat will be of damaging winds, and it could be quite potent as well, up to 70 miles per hour. The line is arriving in Tyler and Gilmer by 8 o'clock. We could see a few embedded tornadoes at that time as well. Crockett, Longview, Linden, arrival times about 9. Eastern counties about 11. That's Marshall, Center, Nacogdoches, and Lufkin. And then by early Saturday morning, this is beginning to exit our area into parts of Louisiana, and we will become drier. So as I mentioned, the storm timeline, 4 to 8 o'clock for our western counties, 7 to 11, including the cities of Jacksonville, Tyler, Longview, and Gilmer, and then far deep East Texas, including Nacogdoches, Lufkin, Center, and Hempville, likely 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the morning. Now, the primary threat will be the threat of damaging winds. That's the highest percentage, and it does include all of East Texas at this point. The second highest threat is the tornado threat. We don't typically see this yellow registering up on our maps. Well, it is now. So the tornado threat, and again, it's those individual storms in front of the line. That's what I'm primarily concerned with. However, it is possible that we do see a few tornadoes along that line as well. They're just probably going to be a little weaker. And that being said, significant tornado, if you've heard of the enhanced Fujita scale, that is an EF2 or a level 2 tornado or higher. And it's all possible, folks, in this red region, and that includes Rusk, Henderson, pointing off to the north and to the west. So a more basic look at that, it's damaging winds followed by tornadoes, heavy rain, large hail. Those are both secondary threats at this time. Next 7 days will be in the 70s, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Severe weather alert days starting tomorrow afternoon into early Saturday morning, and then it gets warm again next week. Neil?
Sir, East Texas.